Mauro,
Hey, Kevin.
I think of you as a brush guy, you throw mini roller at me, and now you're bringing out spray paint?
Well, this is what I like. When I use those guys here, it's only when I get like a small project.
Okay.
Let's say you got this beautiful handrail, so you place like a 3 or 4 banisters. So you don't want to, spray it with a machine or anything. Like small project, fits really well.
And there are a lot of little spaces in and out here, so I guess I can see you spraying it. Okay.
Right.
So for materials, we've got pine balusters. Looks like we've got some, cedar?
Fir, we got fir down here, and we got this beautiful mahogany handrail.
Beautiful. How do you want to finish this guy?
Well, this guy here, I hate to paint that. It's beautiful by itself. All we need to do is put a coat of a lacquer on it or a coat of a polyurethane on it.
Both are going to be clear.
Both is going to be clear.
You have a preference in this case?
I think we're going to do lacquer in this. It gives us a harder finish and it will look nice better.
So you want to start spraying?
I want to start spraying.
What do you want to do for prep? This is nice and smooth.
Yeah, this is nice and smooth. I already went ahead and I did a lightly sand. So what I like to do, I like to protect this area here even before we paint that.
Can we tape it?
We can tape it, absolutely.
All right.
Let's lay it down flat like that.
We got a piece right
Yeah,
there.
if you want to kind of just see it in there, it looks good.
I'm tight there, tight there.
Type right in there. Just shake it up a little bit. And then you're going to take about 8 to 10 inches away from the surface, just like that. A very light coat will do it. Remember, we're going to put 2 coats, maybe 3. You want to handle that?
8 to 10 inches, keep it moving.
Yeah. Look at that color.
Look at that pop.
This will take about 35, 40 minutes to dry.
All dry, Mauro, and a
All
good call
dry.
going with the clear coat. That's
It
beautiful.
looks really good. And now it's time for us to prime, but first we got to protect this piece here.
So use the right primer for the right material. Metal primer for metal, wood primer for wood.
Metal primer for metal, wood, wooden primer.
I'll get this for you.
We're going to do black for all the banisters. It's going to look great.
Fancy.
But I like to use a tinted primer because we're going to have a much better coverage with that.
Okay, and you always want to do a primer because sometimes there's primer and paint in one can.
Well, this is the way I like to do it. I like to use the primer first, only primer, and then I'll top coat it with whatever coat that I'm going to do it.
Then that's the way we're doing it.
That looks good already. All right, the primer's dry. Let's do a light sand, clean up, and we'll be ready for top coating. We'll do the same way. That's right there. In about 30 minutes, we'll come back and we'll put the second and final coat on. Oh, Kevin, isn't this satin finish nice?
I love it. That is a good look right there.
You can have like 4 different finish to choose from. Start with the flat, with no sheen at all. And then we have the satin, which we got here, semi-gloss or high gloss.
So just like paint, you get in the spray paint as well.
Absolutely.
Love it. Nice technique, Mauro. Good information. Thank you.
Looks good.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.